Gardening Adventures in 2025, a tomato tale. 2025. Flying cars? Not quite. Delicious homegrown tomatoes? Absolutely. Imagine stepping into your backyard and being greeted by the sight of vibrant red tomatoes hanging from lush green vines. It's a sight to behold and a taste to savor. The future of gardening is here, and it's more exciting than ever. Gardening is a joy, a challenge, and a bit messy. But that's part of the fun, isn't it? Getting your hands dirty, feeling the soil, and nurturing plants from tiny seeds to full-grown beauties. It's a journey filled with ups and downs, but the rewards are worth every bit of effort. But when those juicy tomatoes start ripening, oh boy, it's pure magic. The vibrant colors, the fresh aroma, and the satisfaction of knowing you grew them yourself, it's a feeling like no other. Each tomato is a testament to your hard work and dedication. This year, let's aim for a tomato explosion, a harvest so big you'll be begging your neighbors to take some off your hands. Imagine baskets overflowing with ripe, juicy tomatoes, enough to share with friends, family, and even the whole neighborhood. It's a community celebration of nature's bounty. Don't worry, I'm here to guide you every step of the way, from tiny seedlings to overflowing baskets of ripe, red goodness. Ready? Let's get growing. Together, we'll explore tips, tricks, and techniques to ensure your tomato plants thrive. So grab your gardening gloves and let's embark on this tomato growing adventure. Picking your tomato champions. Variety is the spice of life. Choosing the right tomato variety is like picking your Olympic team. You want winners. For maximum yield, look for indeterminate varieties. These bad boys keep growing and producing fruit all season long. Cherry tomatoes are super prolific, perfect for snacking. Beefsteak tomatoes are giants, great for slicing. And don't forget heirloom varieties. They may not produce as much, but oh, the flavor. Remember, choose varieties that suit your climate and taste buds. Experiment, have fun. Soil secrets, the foundation of a bumper crop. Imagine building a skyscraper on sand disaster. Same goes for your tomatoes. They need strong foundations, healthy, nutrient-rich soil. Add plenty of organic matter like compost or well-rotted manure. Think of it as a gourmet buffet for your tomato plants. They'll reward you with robust growth and a bumper crop. Trust me, your tomatoes will thank you for it. Section 4. Water wisdom, quenching your tomatoes' thirst. Tomatoes love a good drink, but too much water can be as bad as too little. Aim for consistently moist soil, not soggy. Deep watering less frequently is better than frequent shallow watering. Think of it like this. You wouldn't take a sip of water every 5 minutes, right? Give your tomatoes a good soak once or twice a week, depending on your climate. Section 5. Pruning and supporting your tomato champions. Tomato plants can get a little unruly, like teenagers at a party. They need some guidance to reach their full potential. Pruning suckers, those little shoots that grow in the crotch between the stem and branches, helps direct energy to fruit production. And don't forget to stake or cage your plants. This prevents them from flopping over and becoming a tangled mess. Plus, it's easier to harvest tomatoes when you don't have to crawl around on your hands and knees. Section 6. Natural pest control, keeping the bad bugs at bay. Pests, those uninvited guests who think your tomato plants are their personal buffet. They can be quite a nuisance, munching away at your hard work and leaving you with less than perfect produce. But fear not, there are natural ways to keep them at bay. You don't need to resort to harsh chemicals that can harm the environment and your health. Companion planting is like inviting the bouncers to your tomato party. These plants act as natural deterrents, keeping the bad bugs away while promoting a healthy garden. Plant basil, marigolds, or onions nearby to deter pests naturally. These plants have strong scents that confuse and repel insects, making your garden a less attractive target. And for those stubborn critters, a homemade garlic spray can work wonders. Simply mix garlic with water and a bit of soap and spray it on your plants. Just don't stand too close to your friends after using it. The strong smell might keep more than just pests away. Remember, a healthy garden is a balanced ecosystem. By using natural pest control methods, you're not only protecting your plants, but also supporting beneficial insects and wildlife. Section 7. Tomato overload. Now what? Congratulations, you've achieved peak tomato. Your garden has blessed you with an abundance of these juicy red gems. Your kitchen counter is overflowing, your fridge is packed, and every available surface is covered with tomatoes. It's a tomato takeover. You're starting to see red, and not just from the tomatoes. Fear not, my friend. This is a good problem to have. There are tons of delicious ways to use your bounty. From classic recipes to creative culinary experiments, the options are endless. Make sauce, salsa, soup, juice, salad, sandwiches. The possibilities are endless. You can even try your hand at homemade ketchup or sun-dried tomatoes. You can even gift tomatoes to your neighbors. They'll be so grateful they might even forgive you for that garlic spray incident. Sharing is caring after all. Remember, a tomato a day keeps the doctor away, or at least keeps them very well fed. Happy gardening, enjoy your tomato-filled adventures, and savor every bite of your harvest.